Hello everyone, it's Zeno the Computer Enthusiastic, and today I just heard news from Microsoft blog, and they say that they are just going to release the game of the War 5 and it will have 5 new modes. Let's check it out. So on Sunday, during the 2019 Xbox E3, they just announced that Gear 5 will be launched worldwide at September 10. So gamers can play the game 4 days earlier if they have the Game Pass Ultimate membership of Xbox. And yeah, this will help you make a video about it, maybe if you are a creator, and something else. It's your business. In the other side, they are just saying there's 5 modes. One mode of this 5 is Escape. Escape mode will let you play co-op mode and with 3 players to just go to a hive of the enemy and work together to destroy it and escape. And this is what you are watching right now. This is the scan of what they are just saying they are going to release. In the flip side, if you are creative about these hives and in this escape mode, you can make your own and challenge your friend with the mode of Map Builder. And with Map Builder you can just create your own map like you want. Just be creative and challenge your friends and see if they can really survive. And it's so exciting, and we all like to be creative. And this one I really want to try it. And speaking about challenging, you can also play in versus mode, and this is the third mode I'm just going to tell you. And yeah, like any FPS game like Call of Duty or something like that, it's just fun to play against your friends. In the flip side, if you are gonna work with your friends to finish your campaigns, you have to just try the horde mode, and it will help you pick a character, and also your friends will pick a character with some special abilities, and each ability has benefit from each other in your team. So yeah, you will work together to finish your campaigns. And yes, campaign mode is the last one. It's all about telling a story and playing the game in the same time. So if you are hardcore or casual, you will play it in the both ways. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to just get more like this one. See ya!